So we're now in Apia, downtown Apia. We got the wharf in there with the Princess Cruise. We were looking for a martial arts gym, but somebody sounded really confident, but in the end didn't know where it was. There's some sort of church in here. Yeah, we're not sure where we're heading. We're just going for a little walk and explore Apia, downtown Apia. Hopefully we'll find the bus stop, the bus station. I think that's the heart of the city. There's a Samoa information center right here. It's quite beautiful. The great thing about Samoa is that I guess we can say that it's quite safe. Like even the police officers, I don't think that they have any guns with them. It's a small, at the end of the day, it's a small tropical island in the middle of the Pacific. So I think it's quite safe, but you do have to be mindful of your belongings. Yeah, I've been to Samoa, or we've been to Samoa about 13 years ago, and this place has changed a lot. Like I mentioned earlier, the streets, the properties out in the villages especially, they're really beautiful. This is the Central Bank of Samoa. That building, I don't know what that building is. We're gonna have to look it up. Could be like a government building or something. There's churches everywhere. That's a Methodist church behind me. So we just exited a main road next to the water. So this is the back of that church that we saw earlier. It's quite a spectacular building, I must say. And then over here we have the beautiful mountains of Upolu, Samoa. You can see some really stunning properties up there, full of coconut trees. I wonder what the property market is like in a place like Apia. Because when I last checked, property prices were not very cheap. Now look at this little canal. That looks really cool. That looks really cool. Probably there is all sort of fish and turtles in there. Samoa has some really beautiful turtles, really large ones. So we got a little supermarket here. That's actually, oh nice, cool. Look at this massive field that they have. So, for those of you who don't know, the Pacific Islanders are extremely athletic. The rugby is very popular. As far as I know, the real rugby in Samoa is actually played by Coconut, but I'm not sure. It could be just a legend. There's a lot of legendary stories in Samoa. But look at this. This is a very typical Samoan backyard. Plantation, like mini plantations, coconut trees, lots of taro. One thing that's very common in Samoa is that they have their own graveyards in their own properties, because they look at death in a somewhat different way as the Westerners. Very common to for people to bury their loved ones in their own yard. This is a big mango tree. There's no fruits on it at the moment. And this one, I believe this is no, this is not. I'm mistaken this tree for a breadfruit tree. Oh, there is a breadfruit tree, and there is fruits on it. You can see it. Let me just get a little closer. You can see that even on this little space, there's a coconut tree. Look at this beautiful breadfruit tree. I mean, it's got loads of fruits. I believe it fruits about 3 times a year, which is pretty impressive. I don't think that these are ripe. They're too small. Normally they're the same size as the coconuts without the external husk. There's another coconut tree loaded with fruits.
Barrier shattered. Secrets of our urban jungle exposed. Teeth of the Jungle. Get your copy today.